Welcome to Irrational Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be solving 5 questions from linear equation chapter. So before that, we'll just go through the basics of this one and then we'll start solving these questions. Okay, those who don't understand, okay, just comment in the comment section so I'll make it easier to understand them. Those who even don't know now, till now, okay, you have sufficient time. Still, you can start from today, you can finish total chapters. Okay, let me write down the two linear equations. What is the linear equation standard form? A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is one linear equation, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is another linear equation. So if first case, if a1 by a2, a1 by a2 are nothing but the coefficient of x. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, the lines would be what? Intersecting lines, and this intersecting point is there, right? That is our solution, unique solution we have. And those linear equation which has solutions, we call it as what? Consistent. Consistent. The system of linear equations which has solution, we call it as what? Consistent. And the second case is if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then in this case the two lines will be parallel and we won't have any solution for this because they are not meeting at any point, so they won't have any solution. These pair of lines we call it as what? Inconsistent. And the third one is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So if you see, draw the lines, it would be like first line would be this one, and over that another line is there. What? It is overlapping, what we call coincident lines. And we have infinite solutions. For this, what? Infinite solutions we have. And again, what I said, if the linear equation, if the pair of linear equation has solution, we call it as what? Consistent. Consistent. So whenever you come across the word consistent, means those pair of linear equation which has solution. So first one and third one, these are consistent lines because we have solution, and parallel lines, okay, inconsistent. Now let us solve this one. So let me write down in standard form. Okay, so 2x plus 3y. This 15 is there, right? If I transpose to this side, it becomes what? Minus 15 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 25 equal to 0. So after writing them, what you have to do is first to find out the which, okay, first to find out the coefficient of x, y and constant. So a1 value is what? 2, b1 value b1 value is what? 3, and c1 value is what? Minus 15. a2 value is 3, b2 value is 2, and C2 value is minus 25. Let me check which type of lines are this. First, always I'll check whether A1 by A2 is not equal to or not. If it is not equal to, then we'll have unique solution. We can use any of the three method. Which method we can use? Substitution method we can use, cross multiplication method we can use, and elimination method we can use. So what I'll get here? A1 by A2 value. A1 by A1 value is what? 2 by 3. B1 by B2 value is what? 3 by 2. So we can see here 2 by 3 is not equal to 2 by 3 is not equal to what? 3 by 2. So we can say this has unique solution. This lines has unique solutions. Means they are intersecting lines, and this point is the unique solution point. So now what I'll do is either I can use substitution or I can use elimination. I'll use elimination. So first of all, what I'll do, let me write down the equation again. 2x plus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. Okay. Here 3x plus 2y minus 25 equal to 0. Okay, I can eliminate either x or I can eliminate y. Okay, it's your choice. Whichever you want to eliminate, you can eliminate it. So for that, what you have to see it. For example, if I want to eliminate x, first of all, I have to make the coefficient same. X coefficient same. Here, if you observe here, here x coefficient is 2 and here x coefficient is 3. So find out the LCM of these two. What I know, LCM of 2 and 3, I'll get the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So let us make this as 6. Okay. How to make here? Already it is 2 is there. With which number I have to multiply to make this as 6? With 3 I'll multiply. Here it is already 3 is there. With which number I have to multiply? 2. So now if you observe here, what I'll get here? 6x plus, you have to multiply each and every number. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. Don't forget, okay? Most of the people forget it and only multiply the first one and they leave the second and third one. Then they'll get the wrong answer. Okay, 45, because 3 into 15 is 45. Next, 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 4. As I told, I have to multiply each and every number. Minus 2 into 25 is 50. Okay, now since the coefficient of one of the equation, okay, one of the equation will multiply with what? Minus sign. Here already it is plus is there, right? So with, if I multiply with minus, I'll get minus. Here it is already plus. With that multiply minus. Here I'll get plus. Is this okay? Now you have to forget the previous signs. Now you have to focus on the new signs only. 6x minus 6x, 0. 9y minus 4y, 5y minus 45 plus 50. I'll guess what? Minus 45 plus 50. Okay, you can write down here. Minus 45 plus 50. So whenever you come across like two different signs, what you need to do is, okay, whenever two different signs are there, subtract from the bigger number. 50 minus 45, I'll get what? 5. After that, you have to check which is the bigger number. Here 50 is the bigger number. What is the sign for that? Plus sign is there, right on plus sign. So I'll get what? Plus 5 equal to 0. 5y. If I transpose this plus 5 to this side, it becomes what? Minus 5. Y, okay, now it is in 5 and y is in multiplication. If I transpose this 5 to this side, it becomes what? Division. So 5 ones are 5 ones are. So what I'll get here? Answer is minus 1. Y value I got, right? I can substitute in any of this equation. I'll get the x value. So I'll substitute in first equation. 2x plus 3 into y value is what? Minus 1. Minus 15 equal to 0. 2x plus into minus, minus 3 into 1, 3, minus 15 equal to 0. 2x. When you are having same sense, just now we saw, right? When we are having different sense, what we did, and when we are having same sense, minus 3 and minus 15. Whenever you are having same signs, what you need to do is just add it. 15 plus 3 is what? 18. And next, which sign to put it? Put the common sign. What is the common sign? Minus is there, right? Here. If plus is there, you have to put plus sign. So what I'll get here? Minus 18 I'll get. Many students struggle here only. This addition, subtraction, when we are having two different signs, when you are in same signs. Okay. Now minus 18 is there, right? If I transpose to that side, it becomes what? Plus 18. 2 into x, it is in multiplication, right? If I transpose to that side, it becomes what? Division. So 18 by 2, 2 ones are 2 nines are. So x value is what? 9. Is this clear? So I got the solution. Okay, I got the solution. X value is 9 and y value is what? Minus 1. Is this clear? I hope you understood. If you still have doubt, okay, you can comment in the comment section. I'll try to make it as more simpler. Okay, next. If the pair of equations represent coincident line, then find the value of r. Just now in the previous case I told you that. Okay, they said it coincident line. What is the condition for coincident line? A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Let us write down this one. Okay, this is my first equation. So a1 value equal to what? A1 value is 3. B1 value is what? Minus 1. Okay, here minus 1 is there. Don't forget it. Don't think there is no number. By default, it is 1 only. Okay, and C1 value is what? 8. Next, second equation. If you see here, A2 value is what? 6. B2 value is what? Minus R. And C2 value is what? 16. Okay, you can just equate the first two, or you can equate say, okay, this two. Anything you can equate, you'll get the answer. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm equating the first two. So that is what? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. So what I'll get here? 3 by 6 equal to minus 1 by minus R. Minus 1 plus gets cancel. What you can do is cross multiply it. Okay, you cross multiply it. What will get here? 3R equal to this you cross multiply it, you'll get 6. Now if you observe this one, 3 into R, multiplication is there. If you transpose this 3 to that side, it becomes division. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So R value equal to 2. That is what they asked. Next, if the system of linear equation have infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions is possible when the lines are what? Coincident lines. Okay, coincident lines, coincident line. Infinite solutions means what? Coincident lines. Okay, same thing. We have to find out A and B value. Okay, first again we'll write down this one. So let me write down here. What I'll do here? 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Here what I'll do? 2ax plus a plus b y minus 28 equal to 0. So let me write down. Okay, what is the condition? Again I'm writing here. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. What is my A1 value? A1 value is what? 2. B1 value is what? 3. And C1 value is what? Minus 7. Okay, and A2 value is what? 2ax. Don't write down. Okay, sorry, don't write down x, because A2 is nothing but the x coefficient. Many times what we'll do is we'll write down what? 2ax we'll write down. Okay, that is not. Next, B2 is what? A plus b. We have to write down what? These are coefficients only. Don't write down x and y along with them. And C2 equal to what? Minus 28. Is this clear? So first of all, we'll solve A1 by A2. We'll write on here. 2 by 2a equal to 3 by a plus b equal to minus 7 by minus 28. Minus minus gets cancelled. So first thing what I'll do is I'll solve these two. Okay. So if you solve this one, what you get here? 2 by 2a equal to 7 by 28. 2 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 ones gets cancelled. 7 ones are 7 fours are. So I am left with what? 1 by a equal to 1 by 4. Cross multiply it. What you get here? A equal to 4 you got. Next what we'll do here? We'll solve these two. So 3 by a plus b equal to 7 by 28, right? 7 by 28. 7 ones are 7 fours are. Cross multiply it. So what you get here? A plus b equal to 3 into 4, 12. Already we know the a value. Substitute here. A plus b equal to 12. B equal to what? 12 minus 4. That is 8. So the answer is what? A value is what? 4 and B value is what? 8. I hope you understood, and still if you have doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Is the pair of linear equation consistent or not? I just told you before, consistent means what? Sorry, inconsistent means what? No solution. Okay, for which case will get inconsistent? Parallel lines, because they never meet at any point. And what is the condition for this one? Okay, for condition for this one is what? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, we'll check. So first let me write down this one. What I'll write down here, 3x minus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. 6x, this is minus, okay, 6x minus 10y minus 13 equal to 0. Okay, let me, a1 value is what, 3, and b1 value is what, minus 5, c1 value is what, minus 7. Next, a2 value is what, 6, b2 value is what, minus 10, and c2 value is what, minus 30. Let us check here, a1 by a2, a1 by a2, 3 by 6, again b1 by b2, minus 5 by minus 10, again let me write down here, minus 7 by minus 30. And minus minus gets cancelled, here minus minus gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 twos are, so 1 by 2, here also 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, which is not equal to 7 by 13. Okay, 7 by 13. Okay, so you can see these are, it is satisfying what? Okay, inconsistent lines.